Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ali Maths Blog. So my dear student, today our question is if 5 to the power root over of a plus root over of b whole square over 5 to the power minus root over of a minus root over of b whole to the power 2 is equal to 125, then find the value of a plus b. So student, today in this video I'll tell you how to find the value of a plus b from this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given exponential equation is 5 to the power root over of a plus root over of b whole to the power 2 over 5 to the power minus root over of a minus root over of b whole to the power 2 is equal to 125. So student, to find the value of a plus b from this exponential equation, so first of all we have to apply the formula a to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this formula we have to apply on left side. Okay student. So student, after apply this formula on left hand side, then the left hand side will becomes 5 to the power root over of a plus root over of b whole square plus root over of a minus root over of b whole square is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 125. Okay student. So student, after that, so my dear student, on the left hand side the power of 5 is root over of a plus root over of b whole square plus root over of a minus root over of b whole square. So student, to simplify the power of 5, so we have to apply the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So this is our formula. Okay. So this formula we have to apply on left side. Okay. So student, after apply this formula on the power of 5, so on the left hand side we have to write 5 and in the place of power we have to write 2 into root over of a whole square. So we have to use second bracket. Okay. After 2 we have to use second bracket and inside the second bracket we have to write root over of a whole square plus root over of b whole square. Okay. And second bracket close is equal to, so on the right hand side we have to write the exponential form of 125. Okay. If you apply the prime factorization method on 125, then you have to write in here 5 25 jar 125, 5 5 jar 25. Okay. So how many 5 is there? 3 times 5 is there. Okay. In the place of 125 we have to write 5 to the power 3. Okay. So this is the exponential form of 125. Okay student. So student, after that, to find the value of a plus b from this exponential equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, implies that m is equal to n. Okay. So my dear student, so in this equation on both sides base are same. So we have to cancel the base and we have to write only power. Okay. So this is our formula. So this formula we have to apply on this equation. Okay. So after apply this formula on this equation, so we can write from this equation 2 second bracket and here is in the place of power we have to write 2 into root over of a whole square plus root over of b whole square is equal to 3. Okay, so on both sides base are same. Here is 5 and here is also 5. So we have to cancel the digit 5 from both sides. Okay, so only we have to write the power. That means 2 into root over of a whole square plus root over of b whole square is equal to 3. Okay, so student, on the left hand side, if you simplify this algebraic expression, so we can write from this expression 2 into, so here is root over of a whole square, that means a, okay student, plus root over of b whole square, that means b, is equal to 3. Okay student, to find the value of a plus b, so we have to transpose the digit 2 from left side to right side. Okay, so on the left hand side we have to write a plus b is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the answer. Okay, so my dear student, the value of a plus b will be 3 by 2. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.